is of adult nature. The views and opinions expressed are not that of the SABC and are that of participating contributors and listeners, and do not reflect that of the official policy or position of Metro FM.
23 minutes after 10 o'clock. Welcome to Ask a Man. We've got Anonymous on the line. Somizi. Hi. Hi. Are you good?
I am ecstatic. Thank you very much.
Good.
How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
Thank you.
Looking nice today. Looking nice.
Yeah?
See you. You looking nice.
Yes, I'm
Looking
from a
good.
funeral.
Is it? Oh, yeah. That's why you're in all black. I was about to ask.
Man, Somizi, I'm sorry. My condolences.
For what?
You said you're from a funeral.
Yes.
Yeah, so can I not say my condolences?
You must first ask whose funeral.
What if you want to keep that personal, private?
No, this is South Africa must help me mourn.
Okay, whose funeral were you
My
attending?
ex.
So
For real though,
For
Somizi.
real.
Naked, is he serious?
Yes.
Oh, I'm
Who's
sorry.
she? Not every funeral is for tears, but it can be for tears of
Mm.
joy.
Wow.
Oh, my goodness.
All right. Let's lay that to rest. Anonymous, good morning.
Good morning. How are you guys?
Good, thanks in yourself.
I'm good.
Okay, Anonymous, I'm going to read the house rules and then we'll hear you out this morning, what advice you need. Respect is a foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Do you agree, Anonymous?
Yes.
All right, baby. Talk to us. Anonymous, we ready? We listening?
Yes, I am listening.
Let's go. We are ready for you. We here to hear you out.
Okay, so I'm just gonna try to make a summary of this. I don't know whether to say my current partner or what, because we currently broke up. But I know when he comes back, probably we're gonna get back together again. But I want to know whether he likes me, likes having me around, or he loves me. Because this guy is my high school sweetheart. He, my first in everything, and we are still in a relationship together. And the reason why I keep on getting back with him is because he's the first in everything for me. So I don't think I can be in a relationship with someone else, because he knows everything about me. He knows my body. He knows what I like. He knows what I don't like. He knows everything. So being in a new relationship is I'm gonna have to start getting to know somebody else, and they have to know me. And we've been together for more than 7 years. Yes. And I'm currently working far away from him. We are 8 hours apart.
Via
Yes.
flight, broomstick, taxi.
Important question, Naked. Very important. Via walking.
It's a bus away.
A what?
Bus.
8 hours the bus away.
Yes.
Oh, is it Debe now? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So, the reason why now we are not talking right now, the reason why we're broken up is because I found out, I don't know, I think it's the 4th time now that he's still in the relationship with someone that he was cheating with 5 years ago. So in my mind, I'm thinking, this thing never stopped, or maybe they keep on breaking up and getting back together like me and him. So last year, I found out that I was pregnant early last year. And then when I told him, he was like, no, I'm not fertile. I can't make babies. Even my family knows, so I don't know what you want to do. The time being that I'm doing my last year, I'm self-funded. There's a lot going on in my life. And he was like, no. And I was like, no, uyahlanyalo. I was like, switch off, delete off. Okay. He went past that, and then we broke up. And then he came back. He apologized. He was sorry and all that. And I was like, oh, okay, it's fine. Since I was not in a relationship and I was not ready to get into a new relationship, and I missed him and I was kind of bored. So we got back together. And now I found out that the girl that he was cheating with, 5 years ago, they're back together. They're still jollering. So I'm now confused. Is it because I'm far away from you, you're still with that person because we are from the same hometown? I moved due to school and work. Right now I'm currently working and I'm also studying. And he's 8 hours away from me. He's also working. But the girl that he's cheating with is from the same hometown. So when I come back home, we get back together, everything is good, we are fine, we are happy. But when I leave, I don't know whether the girl is my money or what's happening.
Don't worry, girl. We have all the answers. Okay. You
Yes.
looking for the truth?
Yeah,
You're going to get the truth, okay?
okay.
Piano, jazz, gospel, or even house. But it's Metro FM. It's just great music. Metro FM. It's where you want to be.
It's 31 minutes after 10 o'clock. We've got Anonymous on the line. Of course, the Naked DJ, Somizi, both here. Anonymous has been in a on and off relationship with her high school sweetheart for about 7 years. And they are currently separated. They've broken up for various reasons over the years, mostly because he keeps cheating on her with the same girl. Now, Anonymous says that this guy lives quite far, 8-hour drive. And every time she's away from her hometown, he seems to be with this other girl. Now, she wants to know if he just likes her or really does love her. That is her question this morning. Anonymous, we on the same page, now?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
All right. Class, is everyone present?
Yes, mistress.
Okay, yeah. So Anonymous said, I can't let this guy go because he knows everything about me. Everything about me.
Everything.
Now, Anonymous, when you say everything, I think you're just talking about physical. Because he knows how to make you climax. Therefore, I don't want to, have to meet somebody new. Then he has to learn my body, whatever. Anonymous,
Yeah.
words are incredibly powerful. Right. Because Somizi, if mina nawe siyajola, ne?
Njengoba besijola, yes.
Yeah. So if I know everything about you, Somizi, I know what makes you sad. I know what makes you happy. I know what makes you emotional. I know if you're not feeling okay, I know how to make you feel better. I know how to make you feel secure. Right? Because you're my person and I love you.
Amen.
Now, Anonymous, he knows everything about you. If he wanted to make you happy, you wouldn't have called here today. Wena ukhuluma ngesex kuphela. Now, sex is not everything, Anonymous. And yesterday we talked about people that hadn't had their frontal lobes fully developed. And I think we have stumbled upon another one.
What are lobes? Yazi mina ngicabanga ukuthi
When ucabanga mal-
balimi.
So means to think about curtains.
Ama-labs. Yini ama-lobes?
Ingqondo la. You know, when your brain I think doesn't fully develop until
Okay.
you're a certain age.
Oh, okay.
So yeah,
Okay.
that part that
Nice.
helps you process things in a
Okay.
mature manner,
Thank you.
right?
I am currently doing my honors in psychology, so I know
Yes.
exactly what you're talking about.
Yes,
Dankie.
girl.
Dankie,
Come
girl.
on.
Yeah.
Abafundanga man. This week, I'm academics. This week.
Not
Mara
street smart.
Mujolo.
Ah,
So, Anonymous, since this is what you are studying, are you sure you don't want to maybe rephrase ukuthi how this guy and your relationship, how it's going?
Uyangithanda mara.
Kakhulu. Lo. But yey ukuthanda. They mustn't convince you otherwise when. How?
So untanda no itu, ne?
No, like the recent thing that happened now, you can find out with he's still with the same girl, is because the girl tried to commit suitcase. So
Commit
Wait,
in it?
anonymous.
Suitcase, but she doesn't want to say it on air.
Oh,
Because she must-
suitcase.
Yeah, suitcase. Oh, guys, work with me.
No, we didn't hear her word.
No,
Not the
Nimzwile.
specific. Yeah.
Suitcase. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And that's the only reason why he's with her.
and the family of the girl, they went to his house to complain because the girl wrote a letter. I don't know what was in the letter, and the police came with the family. I don't know what really happened. So that's when I found out that actually the police were at his house, and this is what was the issue. So I asked him, Gandhi, you are still with the same person? I said, no, I was with her because every time I'm trying to break up with her, she wants to commit suicide.
Okay, hold it right there. Huh?
Yeah.
So remember, Anonymous, you don't know whether you're this guy's side or the main, but in your head, you still think you're the main. Now, what happens if, this woman might not be as strong as you are, but what we know is that after that letter, we know that this guy has driven her to this thing, all right? Because you're studying psychology. Now, doesn't the red flag say, hey, Bana, at a certain point, this guy is going to drive me to the same place because he's been lying to me, he's been cheating on me, I don't feel secure, I don't feel happy, blah, 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 blah. Does it not ring any bells, Anonymous?
Ngifundela yena ukuthi ngimlungise nje.
Ufuna ukulungisa ubani?
Umuntu wami.
Umuntu wenu.
Eh.
Wenu, Anonymous. You said he's seeing somebody else, right? And this is the only girl that you know of.
Yes.
So umuntu wenu, he's your people. And it seems like you are comfortable in this situation. This is why you stay in the situation.
Yeah, I think you can say that, yes.
One day, Nakuto, Somizi, we need to talk seriously about whether monogamy is actually a real thing or we were just lied to monogamy. Because a lot of people seem to be comfortable with their partners having other people. And the only thing they want is just the truth. Uguti, your partner, your guy must just say to you, no, Nikona, Nibaning. But you are comfortable in this relationship, knowing that there's other people there. All you need is the truth. And then, nizochola nonke gube mnandi, angisho?
Hayi.
Ufunani, what are you looking for?
Actually, I'm not confused. Why does he keep on coming back if he's in the relationship with the other girl and he's comfortable and happy?
Okay, so
does he love me?
So
that I can love him fully? Or maybe he likes having me around? Or he misses me? I don't know.
So Miss, mthathe Bobby.
No. I mean, I'm on his side. He comes back because we drive through. You're always open.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Chum.
Happy meal. A light snack.
McMuffin.
Yo.
Muffin.
Food long.
Fold over.
Yebo.
Yeah, ne?
Twister. So that's why he comes back, my baby. Okay. Any questions? Mina, I'm on your side. Any questions?
From me, no.
From you, no, ne? So what
No.
what are you gonna do?
So
now?
who must ask the questions, guy?
Anonymous.
Anonymous, if it's not from you. And you're like, from me, no.
Anonymous.
No, Anonymous angazifoneleni because she knows she's got all her answers. So what are you gonna do now? Like, tell us, like, after this call, what's the situation with you and him?
I'm phone the other girl.
What's that?
I'm phone. I don't want.
Yeah, phela, it's not your job
in a
ukumfuna.
three-way.
Hold on, so Miss Ati, she doesn't want the other girl.
Yes, it's not her job ukumfuna anyway. No girl akamfuna nfunani, so it's mutual. Okay, another thing.
I think for now, I'm going to let him come back until I'm tired.
Okay. Yes. I love your mentality. I love your mentality. How old are you?
I'm 23.
Oh, girl.
Fatsilo.
Ay, Lubia.
Mm.
Lubia.
Frontal lobe.
Frontal lobe. Wet. Scrambled egg. Aska fry.
Mara so easy.
Aska fry. 23. And what happened to the pregnancy?
She was delicious.
What?
Fetus deleters. Hi Mara, nawe anonymous. But anonymous.
Wait,
my
is this a real word? Fetus deleted.
Fetus
Deleted.
Yes, it is a
take
real
it
word. Like your
one-
suitcase,
Fetus.
same thing.
Like deleted.
Do you know what I?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So like press delete.
Yes. Control Alt Delete.
Wow. Okay. So, okay, now you at least. Okay.
Delete, my friend.
Oh, yeah, let me delete. Anonymous. You are 23. Ne? You're gonna wait for him to come back until you are tired. Ne? Nice. Tired. This is what tired might mean. Ne? Tired might mean I'm tired because I am fully blown with AIDS. Amakhewa sangena makhewa ya baba. Ilimi lineyilonda. You are tired because of that. And you are tired because the first man that you slept with gave you an incurable disease, sexual transmitted disease. Not even the AIDS. You are tired because of that. You can't breathe because 2 steps after you've taken 2 steps, you are tired. You are tired because you've got warts in your private area. You have some warts?
Definitely, yes.
Ini?
Definitely.
Yi nama
I know
warts.
that very well.
Yi nama warts.
It's
Insumpa.
cauliflower.
Insumpa nama cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Yes, uyangichaza nama this girl is educated, guys. Educated. Uzobuna nama cauliflower because you are tired because nama cauliflower. You are tired because you can't bear children because so much has happened in your private area from one man.
And the
You are
womb is
tired.
just-
It's tired. You are tired because you can't believe that the man that you thought you're going to spend the rest of your life with till death did you part, death really did you part. Because you left him before he left you, and then he got married to somebody else and lived happily ever after.
Yeah.
You are tired because of that, my baby. So continue. Wait for him to come back with something that you could have avoided from today, but you believed that you should stay. Because why? The girl is extremely intelligent and extremely in denial of the reality and extremely naive to the realities of this world. And somebody showing you a red flag, you think, well, I'm a cheerleader. And it's okay. Stay there, my baby, until you collect everything that you're not supposed to collect, that is going to ruin and make it pointless why you studied so hard and you were supposed to get somewhere academically and your career-wise, but you waited for somebody who does not give a fridge about you. This guy hates you. Let me tell you, my baby. He hates you. He despises you. He can't stand you. He regrets breaking your virginity because now he feels like he owes you. He's not yours. And it's okay. He broke your virginity. He mustn't break your spirit and your heart and your body. So you've got an opportunity, Siswam. But we're going to give South Africa a chance to divulge, you know?
You spoke to her like you are a father.
I am a father. I'm not like a father.
Yeah?
I'm a father. I'm not like a father.
Yeah, but like you are her father, you know.
Oh, yes.
Hi.
So
Can I
much-
just ask one last question?
Yes, baby.
Anonymous, can we
Hold
come
on,
back?
Hold on, yeah.
Let's come back.
Sabuya,
Hold
baby.
it. Don't
Sabuya,
drop the
we
line,
all
okay?
yours. Yeah.
No problem.
Okay,
Sure.
baby.
In this corner, we've got overpriced insurance. In the blue corner, budget price beats. Show us your card premium and we'll beat it. Or pay you the difference. Up to 2,000 Rand. Yo, down he goes. Budget Price Beat taking another win. Don't fumble this bag. Limited time only. Budget Insurance. Official insurer for good South Africans. Budget is a licensed non-life insurer and FSP. T's and C's online.
South Africans don't overthink good food. You taste it, you feel it, you just know. And now that unmistakable Nando's feeling could win you 5,000 Rand. The Nando's Taste-Testimonials Challenge is landing next week on the touchdown, bringing real flavor, real Nando's heat, and a daily chance to win. To enter, WhatsApp Nando's to 066 050 6830, and we could be calling you. Nando's, oh, what a place. T's and C's apply.
45 minutes after 10 o'clock. Anonymous, we are back. What is that one more thing you wanted to ask the gents?
I want to ask from the gents and the ladies, is it possible, Mara, is it possible for one to move on fully? Because after listening to Somizi, a whole new page opened for me, and I just feel like he does use me in a way. You will see, I have that girl, let me just go back to her. So I don't want to be someone or that thing you miss when you see. So I want to ask, is it possible to fully, I know I'm still young, I'm still 23, I can date 5 more guys. No, I'm not saying at once, I'm just saying I still have a lifetime ahead of me. I can date, break up. My question is it possible to move on fully?
Yes, it is possible, my baby. It's possible to move on fully, but you must be ready for the pain. You must be ready. You must completely block him everywhere and mourn him. Mourn him.
Mourn. Hey,
not
mourn is...
and mourn him. He can die in your heart. He can die in your head. And it's going to be tough. You know, when you've lost somebody that you love, you take time, you grieve. You go through grief, right? So you need to do that and accept and understand that it's going to come with so much pain, but it is possible. Nobody really ever died from leaving a relationship that is unhealthy for them. You just need to believe that. And always remember what I just said. It's either that or you're going to look back when you're 26 when you have 2 weeks to live. So it's up to you.
I get you.
Ne? And Usbambe, just forget about Mjolo for now. Forget about Mjolo. Don't jolo. And you are capable of doing that. You don't need to sleep with another guy. You are capable of doing that. For the band next until you meet the right person again. You know, you can look back and go, you know, in my entire life I've had 2 boyfriends. And it's okay when you're 40 and you've met this guy when you're 26 and you live happily ever after. Imagine that life. You'll be able to realize that it's not with this guy.
I have a question for Somizina.
Yes,
Anonymous, please listen.
Okay.
You mentioned love. Somizi, when she hasn't fully developed, she hasn't even graduated, she hasn't had her first job, she hasn't moved into her own place, Anonymous hasn't found herself.
Sorry.
Okay.
I have moved into my own place.
Okay,
I have
sharp.
my first job, but I'm still studying.
Okay. Yeah, but you know, you are at that beginning of life. And you know, there's so many things that haven't fully developed with you. Now, when I look back at being 23, it wasn't actually love. It was, I look at things like, even if it's sex, you know, it was just, some of it was lust, some of it was curiosity. I didn't even know what I was doing. If, you know, when we talk about sex at 23, life hadn't really begun for me. You know? Yeah. So, because young people look at it like this is the beginning and this is the end. So the question is, when you look back at you being 23, was it love?
For me personally, at 23, slightly been more mature than my age because I moved out of home when I was 17.
Mm-hmm.
I had my own apartment when I was 17. So independence, I've always been independent and I've always been mature. But again, it's different for each person because somebody 23 can be immature enough to understand that this is my soulmate and I'm going to spend the rest of my life with this person and it's reciprocated. But some, the problem, and I'll personalize it, we take for granted the childhood experiences, especially bad experiences that we don't deal with. They affect us in the future, where you grew up without so much love and told how much you are being loved. And when you meet something that feels like love, you take it as if it's love, and it's not love. It's better than where you come from. So when you are raised with so much validation that you are beautiful, you are loved, you deserve the world, when you get out of there, nobody can convince you otherwise what the world looks like.
Yeah.
So then it differs. You can still be 40 and be making the same mistakes because you did not deal with a child who was not assured of the greatness and what they are worth and what they deserve. So Anonymous, to me, I don't think it has to do with that. Anonymous, she might have been raised in a family that is loving and caring and tontoni. The only thing that is against her is the person that she met for the first time without knowing the difference between what is real life and what is not.
Oh, okay. You heard that now, Anonymous?
Loud and clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Were you raised nicely? Your parents loved you, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's because it's the world of the unknown for you. But you have an opportunity here. Thanks for calling us, because now we hope we have opened your eyes.
Yeah. And I also can't wait to hear what the rest of South Africa has to say about this one. And hopefully later, stick around, because later on, Anonymous Somizi will tell us where he got his first apartment at 17 during apartheid.
Yes.
Anonymous, we appreciate you. What advice do you have for Anonymous? Give us a call, 086-000-2160, and your voice notes on 060-552-7303. It's Tony Braxton.
Nearest Ford dealer today, T&C Supply.
It's 6 minutes until we hit the top of the hour, 11 o'clock. Metro FM, it's where you want to be. Finding out from Susan out in Sasolburg. Susan, good morning.
Good morning, Couscous. Good morning, Naked. Good morning, Somizi.
Hey.
Yeah. I just listened to Anonymous, and I see her as a mirror of me, because I'm more like a reflection of me when I was around her age. I want to say to Anonymous that it's better to live now before getting all the sickness that Somizi had said. Unfortunately for me, I was infected by someone at the early age of 21, and it's the saddest part of it. So I want to tell Anonymous to love herself more and have more respect for herself and move out of that relationship before he regrets, because luckily for her, she's still not yet infected.
Thank
you. Just move out of that. Don't be a drive-through for anyone, because trust me, once you allow someone to treat you like a garbage, they'll always treat you like a garbage.
My goodness,
Thank you, Anonymous. Thank you.
Sure. Susan, we appreciate that call and for sharing that part. Let's head on over to Anonymous. Good morning, Anonymous.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Talk to us, Anonymous. We listening?
Yeah, speaking as a player, ask a player. Anonymous, we love women that have their own things, they have their own place. That saves us time from booking. We know that when we come from the people that we might like, we're going to get to your place later. You'll open at 11, you'll open at 12 o'clock. And we enjoy that.
Yeah,
and you being naive is an advantage for us, because we save money from bookings and all that.
Wow.
So we love somebody like you, and we're going to use that all the time.
Do you use condoms, player?
Ask a player.
Yeah, crazy. That's that crazy part. So my sister ran away.
Do you use
Doesn't-
condoms?
It doesn't, naked.
They don't.
Yes.
He said that's a
They
crazy
Sure.
part.
Yo.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Thank
And
you
with
so
Anonymous,
much.
you won't use it because you feel like she's
The only one.
she's the perfect girl, and you're above. But you don't care about it. You only go there at night when you want to bang, and you bang, and you. That's the line.
All right.
Thank you for the call, Putwam. Eye-opening.
Yes. The realities.
Bafethu. No, psychologist wethu bamethile psychologically. Bafeditse ka yena. So yeah, thanks so much for the advice. Yeah, no psychologist ya rona ba bethile psychologically. So that's the biggest problem that she has to deal with now. Thank you so much, guys. Fortune just something.
Thank you.
Hi, Somizi and Naked and Kuto, and hi, Anonymous.
Morning.
Chabad. Please remember your worth. Remember your worth. You need to know your worth. There is no way you do not want the girl, but your man is the one bringing the girl into the relationship. And also, why do you have to wait to be tired for you to realize would you take phone? Uzolinda until when? Uzolinda uzobenjana impela. Chabandla, remember your worth. You sound so smart, and I don't think le ingaklula. Chabandla ngeke.
Hana Kitso, Anonymous Shem, Sasingane, Sasubonum Umhlaba. You must just leave the gash, you must just leave, and start afresh. Since she's a psychology student, she should know this. They will play with your mind. Abafana, they will play with your mind. And yena the notion yoguti, she must just accept him until she's tired. Ashem. By the time she's tired, uzobe say shile, uzobe so umlota. Because yeah.
Ashes to ashes.
Good morning. Anonymous, Somiz is right. You're just waiting for this guy to infect you with something to make you go back to features deleters again for the second, for the third, for the fourth, for the fifth time, because you seem like you don't love yourself. You love this guy more than you love yourself. So love yourself and move on. It is possible to move on. Plenty of people have done it. Move on, yeah.
Sure. Thank you for your advice, South Africa. Appreciate you. We're still hanging on a thread. Please, Naked, ask Somizi that question one more time.
We just need to know when this apartment was acquired, when Somizi was 17, during the height of apartheid, you know, especially during, the, what do they call it, between 85, before
State of emergency.
State of emergency.
Yes.
Yeah, Hupedi, Somizi had an apartment during the state of emergency.
Yes.
He was 17. Nasilwa namabunu. Yeah,
Ulala namabunu.
Yeah.
Thank you, Naked, for the opportunity. So just remember, I left school when I was 12 and I joined Serafina when I was 13, right? Thank you very much. So I had enough time to come back to South Africa. And with
Thanks
my
for touching on that.
And this and the
Okay, focus.
So I came back, and the sad reality is that the rent to $1 was R2.50, guys.
Back then.
R2.50, yes. The dollar was R2.50. Yo. When you came back with $20,000, $40,500 or something.
Yo.
45,000. But anyway, mathematics, yes. So I got an apartment at High Point. My rent was $750. So I was set opposite Three Sisters restaurant. So yeah.
I can even tell you grew up on that chicken.
Full chicken.
Yes, a High Point.
Nessa Fontana, yes. So yeah, it's possible. I've always been ahead.
Ahead.
Yes.